From rural Lancaster, Pennsylvania to urban Seattle, Washington, I'm Michelle Serino, and this is my 2013 JISAO summer internship. I worked with Dr. LuAnne Thompson over in the Oceanography Department. We worked to find out if there were significant correlations between oceanic latent heat flux anomalies and cloud fraction anomalies. Researchers have explored the relationships between heat fluxes and cloud fractions, but never before has anyone explored the relationships between the anomalies. We used various satellite data from Woods Hole's Objectively Analyzed Air-Sea Fluxes project and the International Satellite Cloud Climatology project. This plot shows the average global cloud fraction, and this plot shows the average global latent heat flux. We used MATLAB to analyze data from 1984 to 2009 and started our research in the North Atlantic Basin. We performed functions such as smoothing and interpolation, as well as graphical and statistical evaluations. After all of this, we discovered that significant correlations exist between the latent heat flux anomalies and the high and middle cloud fraction anomalies near the Gulf Stream current. High clouds were defined from 440 to 50 hectopascals, such as cirrus, and middle clouds were defined from 680 to 440 hectopascals, such as alto cumulus. Oceanic heat content is correlated to latent heat flux, which has been seen by previous researchers. Because of this relationship, and because of the correlations my mentor and I found, we are confident that heat content can be directly correlated to cloud fraction, and that if we know the heat content of the ocean, we can predict the cloud fraction in advance. This information will be valuable for climatologists, meteorologists, pilots, and sailors, among a few. I've never had the opportunity to work so closely with researchers and graduate students. I'm very grateful for that and for the new skills I will be bringing back home and using into graduate school. I'm not sure where I'll end up, but I hope to return to Seattle someday.